magsasama with another competing record company.
Yeah.
Alam mo, siyempre, ibang Universal, para alam naman lahat, is the biggest music label in the world. So, it's a privilege to partner with them. Ako ay natutuwa na pumayag sila na makapartner. Isang local company lang na 60 years na nandito, natutuwa kami na magsasama kami for the first time because of you.
Yo!
So, matagal ko nang gusto si Dina, baka pa, hindi ko pa kumanta. Sabi ko sa magulang na sana pag nagdalaga, makuha namin. Pero, I waited for 12 years bago mangyari ito. So, excited kami lahat. Ha? Kasi mahaba eh. Nakakita ko sa akin, 9 years old eh.
I was 9 years old, yes po.
Almost 12 years in the making na itong dream ko makahawakan bago man lang ako mag-retire.
Wow! Reaction, reaction.
Kaya alam mo naman, pagka magaling na singer, lalo na pag babae, pagka pakiramdam ko na tulungan, at tingin ko madami kami magagawa. I mean, like Sharon, like Mona Cruz, like Regine Velasquez, and Sarah Geronimo, and now sino pa, no? So, I think, Geda will be a big star. Ang interest ng dito sa kanya is beyond her voice. I feel and I say that she is probably will be a big multimedia star. Yun.
Maraming salamat po.
Kaya we have plans of using Geda as an actress, as a host, lahat na. And then probably get her a lot of endorsement in the future. So, congrats Geda and salamat sa press pagdalo nyo. And the reason I'm here because I believe in Geda.
Yes, boss.
Maraming salamat po, Bossing. Salamat po sa Dion.
Amazing words from the boss man himself, Boss Vic.